today is the day. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm getting my car today. Gotta make it through the whole day. Here's gonna be a fast forward clip of my day before I actually get the car. Starting now.
Tell you're the type of girl that's got good things to say. Got a big bright heart that could match your eyes like the stars up in outer space. And that's why I'm gonna take a chance.
I'm home from school. It is 4:23 right now. Parents are coming home from work, and then we're gonna go to the Audi dealership and go get my car. I just want to say, first off, thank you so much to everybody who has supported me. I know a lot of people say this, but I actually am genuinely fazed that I am buying my own car at 16 years old. Like, crazy stuff right there, you guys. I've just felt so blessed this whole past year. Thankful for God, my parents, my friends, and then most importantly also you guys, because I would not be able to do this. So know that this is also a business purchase as well, because I'm gonna be filming so many more carpool videos. Those are like my favorite videos to film, even though they don't get monetized, but that doesn't really matter to me. The car is just perfect. I already test drove it whenever I went to the Audi dealership like last week. So yeah, we're gonna pick it up and I will tell you guys more about the specific model and then show you guys a car tour and stuff, but I am so excited. On road, you will be missed. Yo, peep that, there it is. We're here at Audi right now and my car is out front, but we're finalizing some paperwork and stuff. Hey guys, it has been a couple of days later and I finally have gotten around to pulling out the camera and getting this car tour for you guys. Oh my gosh, I have been in love with driving this car. I wish I could have gotten my friends' reactions because it was so fun. The night that I'd gotten my car, I drove to the baseball game and the lacrosse game that was happening at my old school because that's where my friend group goes. We all went to our town's park and hung out and it was just really fun. So Maddie's reaction was actually the best, I will say that. Where do I even begin? Let me move this over. For everyone wondering what kind of car model this is the Audi Q3 and it's like a sport car, a little SUV. I'm pretty sure it's the same size as my Nissan Rogue that I had, but obviously this is more like sportier and it's just the perfect size for me. This is what the front looks like, passenger seat. And there's actually a moonroof on this, so it's not just a sunroof, it is like an extended one. But whenever I actually open it, it only opens to this, so the back part doesn't open. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the car. Also, I still have like the paper mat that came with the car because I'm not trying to get it dirty. So you turn on the engine like that. So this is the steering wheel. I'm obsessed with the Audi symbol. And the steering wheel on this is actually way bigger than my Nissan one. The dash is way more advanced as well. You can hit this button and switch a bunch of things like the display, but this is the way I like to have it. We've got the door handle, the lock unlock button, the windows, child lock, and then this is how I adjust my rear view mirrors by turning these. Lots of controls on the steering wheel that have been super helpful. I'm obsessed with, what are these even called? Because the light comes from the top and it looks so good at night. there's me. All right, then we have like the middle console. And oh my gosh, it is so nice. So this is a charger, so you can put your phone actually right here and charge your phone. Then we've got a bunch of buttons down here. They all have meanings. Apple CarPlay at the front, which has been so nice because I didn't have this in my last car. And I've been like messing with the sound systems on this because the speakers on this are so amazing. But yeah, it's just been really fun. I really enjoy CarPlay. All right, then over here is the glove compartment. I think that's what it's called. And then this is the passenger seat. Maddie has been riding in here a lot. We've got 2 cup holders. If you press this button, it opens up the sunroof. And that the lighting is insane with it open. Also, whenever Maddie and I have been like driving, going on like late night drives and all that stuff, I have not been able to hear anything while the sunroof is down, because obviously, you know, like we're like blasting our music and stuff, and you'd think it would be loud, but you just literally can't hear anything. It's amazing. So I'll close that. And then this button right here actually closes like the moonroof itself. And that just slides over. Now it's a lot more darker. I'm gonna go out with the car and show you like the body of it, and then I'll take you into the back seat and then the trunk. Okay, it's gotten pretty dirty because I have been driving it obviously, and it's been a couple of days, but this is what the car looks like. And also my last car was white, so this is pretty different. And honestly, I am obsessed with the black look. This is a temporary license plate, by the way. Audi Q3. I'm gonna show you guys the back seat now. So I have my trash can in here. I had this in my other car and it's been so helpful. I definitely recommend getting a trash can in your car. This is what the back looks like. You have your completely separate AC back here. Yeah, light switch. A little cup holder in the middle, and you just press that and it opens up. And then I really like the netting on like the back of the seats. And now for the trunk. Okay, so I would say my favorite thing about this is definitely the cover, because you can put like valuables in here or things like if you just went shopping, and this will cover it so no one can see what you actually got in here. But there's so much space back here, which is so useful. To close it, you just press this button. I wanted to show you guys this while I was in the garage, but so these lights right here, if you tap on them, the light goes on, and that has been so fun. And then this button right here, if you press it, both of the lights in the back and the front go on slowly, and that's also been really cool. So I can turn those off and then tap them if I just want one light on. Another really cool thing is the Audi symbol that lights up on the ground every time you open the door. Personally, I think that is so cool. I am in love with that feature. I'm trying to think of what else there is. Everything about this car is so amazing. I'm literally so blessed and fortunate to even be able to drive this car. So I cannot say thank you enough. Like, seriously. But yeah, that's the car tour.